You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about.
So today guys, I got a new mod for my M140i. We're going to completely transform the rear end with these tips.
So all you need to fit these tips is one of these and one of these, a 10mm ratchet. And you might need one of these to hammer these old tips off. That's one way of doing it. So here's the difference between the old tip and the new tip. As you can see, absolutely huge compared to the old one. And just slip it on there. Now there's a pin which normally you are meant to cut, but I actually like how far out it sits now. Most people are going to take the mick at me and say it looks like a wheelbarrow, but each to their own. This is my build, I want it how I want it. If you don't like it, then get off my page, mate. So here's the before and after. As you can see, absolutely massive difference. We've got the branding in there, titanium finish, carbon, gold. You versus the guy she tells you not to worry about. So we've got one fitted, let's go ahead and fit the other one, and then we'll show you outside what these bad boys look like. That's that one off. Now let's get the last one fitted. So if you'd like to get yourself a set of custom tips for your BMW, they fit all F-Series, and we've got loads of different designs and materials. We've got forged carbon, normal carbon, brushed titanium, brushed steel, black tips, whatever you want, we've got it. So head over to the LAX Customs website and let's give you a few sound tests of this exhaust and get the car outside and show you in the daylight. So there we go, the new tips are fitted. Now, I don't know, I was saying that I liked them sticking out a bit, but I think they're a bit too far out for my liking, so we might adjust them in the future. And let us know what you think, and let us know what modification you think we should do next on the M140i.